Alright, so we're just on the way to one of our mineral properties. We staked this a little while ago. Noticed a little bit of oxidization on some of the rocks and some sulfide staining. So we just stopped to take a look. Not seeing anything too crazy other than the occasional speck of iron pyrite. A few more little blubs there. Nothing crazy, so we'll move on. Alright, so we've moved on a bit and spotted another outcrop here with quartz, massive quartz. The whole exposure looks like it's quartz. And there's a heavy amount of oxidization and bits of pyritization throughout the quartz. So we're just going to take a quick sample here, catalog it. I'm not going to send it in initially. So yeah, a little bit of pyrite, but not too much. So minor amounts throughout. Doesn't appear to be too crazy amount of mineralization in here, but we'll take these samples and catalog them. Alright, so just on our way to our claim. Going to check it out. Gotta love boulders. Could probably move this one. Alright, 2 hours of driving. Now we got a half-hour, 40-minute hike down to the creek, following this side creek, which is dried up. So we'll see you there. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the creek. We can just see the other one down below. There's no way to get down there. This is a 30-foot waterfall right here. Climbed up on either side, and it's just a cliff on either side. Keep going 100 feet either direction, still cliff. So what we're gonna do is head back up to the main road. And there's a bridge that crossed 1.5 kilometers up creek. We're just gonna go down the bridge and hike along the canyon. Maybe we'll find something cool down there. So back to the climb up. Alrighty, so we made it down to the creek. Inside a little canyon here. We have a little bit of a hike going down this way now because we had to come back so far. So we're looking for an alteration zone. It's supposed to be 120 meters wide, which contains minerals and then anything else we can find. Any new showings. The last claims on here were about 40 years ago, so access hasn't been good. Now that we have access, we're going to check it out. So we will show you anything we find. So we definitely have a change in host rock. Back there you have granodiorite, and here you have a chloritic chert with quartz veins all throughout it. So far we're seeing lots of calcite veins. You can see all throughout. Tiny little veins. Looks like a slightly argolitic rock with maybe some chlorite. Quartz vein. No mineralization yet. There's no way to get across except for barefoot. It is very cold. Believe it or not, that was very nice. Walking through glacier water on a 30-degree day. So over here, you can see you have quite a bit more veining, calcite veining. A little bit of oxidization, but no mineralization yet, other than the occasional speck of iron pyrite. So we're probably going to have to cross again down here. But we'll see you there. So you can see the rock is getting a little bit more greener, a little bit more chloritic mineral in here, and your calcite veins are also starting to slightly change to quartz. These are all quartz, the bigger ones right there. So it's pretty interesting. Nice little quartz vein going along here. More quartz veining along here. Some nice big quartz veins running through here, down there. You got intrusions of epidote or slightly epidotized rock. Got some marble here, a few boulders like that. A little bit of oxidization here, but nothing crazy. Yeah, I don't know how we're going to manage that. Alright, so we got a 25-foot waterfall going to a big deep pool. Tons and tons of slough rock on the other side. Then there's another waterfall on the other side. So I just don't think it's going to happen. Too dangerous. We'll have to find another access route. Kind of a waste of time, but that's prospecting sometimes. Okay, so one last quick thing I'd like to show. We didn't get time to show this because we had the camera die on us when we were walking out. But we found 3 samples. 2 of them looked like they had been beaten over and over again by the river. They were in a little crack right below an outcrop which had a pinkish vein. So didn't think too much of these. We took a few samples. My prospecting partner took a sample. But these, under closer examination, look like rhodonite. And it definitely confirms it when we looked at the 3rd sample. So we have found a small vein of rhodonite in the canyon. So we'll definitely have to go back there further, check it out, and find more of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys next time.